So today we're going to be looking over ticker symbol CLOV, which looks like to be in a very nice consolidation period for the last couple of days, and has been bouncing off of this trend line, which I have set for uh, around $14, actually breaking just slightly below that to $13.97. And seems like it's been in this consolidation mode. But if we do see a break of this 1393, so then we will probably see how much lower this can fall. Now again, just to remind you guys, CLOV is a highly shorted stock, so this is a high risk high reward play again. And I think more individuals are more likely to play this as a trade rather than holding this long term for a company, which also is okay for both the individual investor and the company, because the company will obviously sell shares as well once the price spikes to a certain price level, just to take those profits and reuse those profits in all sorts of ways for advertising, research and development, paying off salaries, because it is a startup. So that's also fine. That's very, very healthy for any company to do that. A good prime indication, prime company example would be Tesla, which also ended up selling shares at different levels when it reached certain points in its stock price action movement, which we were sort of viewing since last year. So all in all, this is trending a little bit lower, breaking out of this resistance. Now we've seen it bounce off of this resistance now, major 1, 2, 3, around 4 times. So this possibly could be a nice possible area to open up a position, possibly for a day trade, a swing trade, and let that squeeze, that short squeeze or that gamma squeeze happen to take in that profits, if that does happen again with CLOV. But those things take a little bit of time, so psychologically you do have to be prepared, mentally you have to be prepared to wait, and always risk something which you can always manage, something safe. Again, this is just my due diligence. This is not something I I am telling individuals to trade off. This is just homework that I do before opening up a trade position. I like to do the charting just to see where stocks are going. Sometimes I don't even open up positions, but I'll still do charting just to share my information onto YouTube, because it's become such a great platform for information. And it would be great if people, are learning from these videos as well. So if you guys are, just leave that in the comment section as well. I'm not gonna make this any longer than it has to be. So we are seeing this nice bounce off of this trend line. So we'll just continue watching this ticker symbol for a few more days to see if it does break below this trend line, and see if we do decide to open up a position with this company for a swing trade, I guess, possibly. But then again, just a reminder not to trade off of this information. Always do your due diligence. It's the best way to learn the market. You have to be responsible for your own trades, which is very, very important. So leave a comment for any ticker symbols you would like me to do some chartings with. I'll try to get those out as soon as possible. And make sure to like and subscribe if you're finding this information useful for your trades, for possibly even for your knowledge. So always thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.